Hey everybody, Stuart McAdam here, and in today's video you're going to learn how to spy on your Facebook ads competitors. Now, before we get going with today's video, please remember to smash that like button below. It'll help me immensely sharing this content with people that will benefit from seeing it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And with that said, let's get straight into it. So here we are in the Facebook ads library. It's just facebook.com/ads/library, and that'll take you to this platform right here. And it may seem like there's a lot of moving bits and pieces here, and there actually are not. It's nice and simple. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you're checking for all countries around the world. And sometimes it defaults to issues, elections, or politics, which are special ads categories. You want to move away from that one and go towards search all. So if you want to search for a competitor, let's say I saw this competitor come up recently. They are in a bit of a different niche from me, but still have some fantastic content that is worth having a look at. So as you can see right here, we have got a couple of different things. There are a lot of ads that they're running at the moment. Let's scroll down on all of them. And the Facebook ads library is wonderful because it allows you to see a whole range of different things. So if we were to click into this ad right here, and we were to click on the three dots there, you can go down and you can see the full ad copy right here. Now the great thing about this is you can also click through to the landing page and you can see what people who are on the platform are going to see when it comes up. So this is fantastic. If you're somebody who is looking to create a landing page, for example, you can see what your competitors are doing and what is clearly working really well for them. Now the reason why this ad particularly impressed me is because I'm assuming that this is the lady who wrote it. She's using very strong, relatable language. It's overrun with illegitimate experts. It's plagued with distractions. That's 100% true. Someone tells you to post this, lead with value, have a call to action, bucket your content into themes. All things that happen a lot and are way too much. And she says, okay, sure, this is strategy. And then she starts to assert her authority as somebody who actually knows what they're talking about. And here she goes down here into the lead-in. If you feel now is the time to stop wasting, build a plan that will work, click here and let's go. And fantastic image right here. Obviously her and her team, the people that are doing the work. So that is absolutely wonderful. And she's also got quite a clever remarketing ad as well. Again, me again, I'm following you around because I'm the type of person that cares a lot, maybe too much. And $37 and 90 minutes of your time. So leading in with value. Obviously you've visited the landing page and you have some level of interest in what she's offering, and got a very clever creative once again here. So also using emojis in the right sense, testimonials, something that works really well with remarketing content. So that is one. I'm going to go to someone who's also smashing it on Facebook ads as well, and that is Mr. Russell Brunson. Now, as you can see, he's obviously in a very different industry. His business is ClickFunnels, and have a look here. Get instant access. Wait, hold on. Discover the tested and proven. So he's using different ad creatives and different ad copy and pictures and testing out videos and standard image texts and just even sort of like flipping through a book. And let's just click into this one right here and have a look here. Look at that. Nice and simple, nice and easy. No emojis, nothing. He's just sort of getting straight to the point because that's obviously what's working well for him in his target market. And if we were to click the Learn More button here, it will again take us to the landing page where you can see what exactly it is, what the landing page looks like, and obviously how it's set up, what's working well, what information is shared, a whole range of information here. Look at all of this. There's a lot of things here. So using a Facebook ad library is super helpful, and it's definitely one that you don't want to overlook. And let's say you're in a particular country or particular area, and you do just want to sort of target that particular area. I'll use my client's example, and yep, here you go right here. This is the ad that they are running at the moment, which I helped set up for them, and that is only running here in Australia. So you can see right here what it will look like on the Instagram platform, how it looks on the Facebook platform, and obviously there's a bit of a difference, but not too much. So let's have a look straight in here, and boom, you can see exactly who it is that's running it, and you can also see all the information that gets shared right here above the click line. A good lead-in call to action. So make sure that you use this tool and have a look at your competitors, see what they're doing, and use and adopt some of the tactics which are working well for them, because these big giants in particular, I'll search up for another one that I think does it really well. That is Blake McCullough, Simon Train from Growth Marketing Systems. Now they've obviously been running Facebook ads for a while, but let's go have a look at all of them. And as you can see here, they've just got the sort of top ad here, and they've got a wide variety of different ads. As you can see, the same ad copy, but different creatives each time. So another huge door, and it looks like the same ad copy over and over again, which is very important with testing ad creatives, because you never know what's working until you give it the old try. As you can see, here's another test one right here. Look at that. That is a fantastic sort of little social proof, free access, free video training. It's often something that they lean in with quite well here, free 15-minute training to sort of get your attention, get you signed up, and get your email and other contact information which they need to slowly nurture you through the process of you going from a sort of unsuspecting, slightly skeptical Facebook ad scroller through to a converted customer. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. I hope you found that absolutely 100% helpful. If you did, please smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.